was parked in the parking lot on Fifth Avenue. Not even 2 hours, and I did that. So today's video, as you could tell by the title, is another luxury purse unboxing video. My favorite videos to make, my favorite videos to watch by far are purse unboxing videos or purse related videos. So I know that I put out one purse unboxing video and then a purse collection video, and I got a lot of comments back from you guys that you love purses just as much as me and you would love to see my purse collection. You'd love to see more purse unboxings. So I made it happen. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting the thumbs up and liking this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you've been up to so far this summer, what you've got going on. Let's chit chat in the comments, you know what I mean? Today I have this video. I initially set out to do this video with just one. I bought 2 new bags. Let's just face the facts. Never in my life have I bought 2 designer bags in the same hour from different stores. Definitely bought 2 from the same store. You get what I'm saying. So initially I was just going to do a Prada unboxing video, but I actually decided to combine 2 videos together. So instead of doing 2 unboxing videos, I'm just going to do one unboxing video with both my purchases from Goyard as well as my purchase from Prada. Without further ado, if you're interested in seeing what I bought at Prada and Goyard, keep watching. Let's get into the story behind the bag and more about the bag. So last week I was like, you know what? I'm ready to go in store and shop. I'm ready for it. But not at the mall. I was like, no, there's too many people there. So I went to Fifth Avenue in New York. I went specifically to go to Prada. I went to the Prada store on Fifth Avenue across from Trump Tower. I had a very nice salesperson. His name was Mohammed. If you definitely shop at the Prada in NYC, make sure you shop with Mohammed. So I went there because Prada recently re-released an iconic bag, the 2000s Nylon Re-edition Tote. And in the year 2000, 20 years ago, I really wanted this bag. But obviously I was young. I remember I asked my grandma. She was like, no, you don't need a Prada bag. You have a Louis bag. And I was like, no, but I need it. And that was that. So probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was just scrolling Instagram and I'm like, wait. Is that what I think it is? And then that just opened up, I don't really shop at Prada that often. I don't get emails from them, so I don't really know what's new. So I went to their website and I saw that they actually re-released the 2000 Nylon Tote. And they have some really beautiful colors. I really wanted the pink or the blue, but both were sold out online and in store, both New York stores. So I kind of decided to go with the tan color. First, let me show you the bag. So like I said, it's from Prada. So it comes in a little dust bag like this. And then this is the actual bag. In a minute, I'll get into why I chose the black and red colors, but basically it's super small. It's a little tote. I think it's really cute if you hold it. The inside is very basic. There's no pocket on the inside. It comes with the little Prada authenticity card as well, the date and the store where you got it from. They stamp it. So this bag retails for $7.75, which I thought was a pretty decent price. I mean, there really isn't any leather on the bag. You would think that there would be Well, there is some leather, I lied. I didn't think it was that bad. I really, really wanted it. So let's get into the color, why I chose this color. So I initially went to the Fifth Avenue store to get the tan version of the bag. I'm going to insert a picture. I really like the camel color. I don't have any nude bags, so I thought that would be like a cute little nude bag. And when I got there, like I said, the very nice salesman, Mohammed, he was like, listen, I could tell by the bag you have on that you're into like limited editions. So I think you need to see the black and red. And I was like, I don't want a black bag. A black Prada bag is, I mean, it's cute, but it's like just basic and I feel like I would never use it. So then he explained to me that they have a limited edition of the Re-edition, which is the black and red logo as opposed to just the regular black and silver logo. So I was really happy with my purchase. I definitely really wanted this, and it's crazy because I literally saw it and 2 weeks later had it because I was like, no, I need this bag before it sells out because I wanted it so bad back in 2000 when it first came out. I think they also came out with a re-edition of their 2005 tote as well. That was, it kind of has like the metal hardware on the strap. That was a bag that I just never really liked, but I definitely specifically remember in the year 2000 wanting that bag more than anything. So I was super happy that I was finally able to get it. So that's my Prada story and my Prada unboxing. So the day I went to Fifth Avenue, I was really just going to go to Prada. I went with my mom. She was going to Goyard. So I was like, okay, let's go to Prada first, and then I'll go with you to Goyard to pick up whatever it is that you want. So I had no intentions of getting a second bag. I don't think I've ever bought 2 bags in one day, never mind in like 1.5 hours, because that's how long my parking was. Like, that's literally how long I was parked in the parking lot on Fifth Avenue. Not even 2 hours, and I did damage. So if you know anything about Goyard, you know that they don't really switch up styles or colors as often as like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Dior. They're kind of just have the basics and that's it. Like every once in a while they might come out with a new style. So Goyard, to me, I definitely love it, but I've always just felt like the bag I have is enough because, like I said, they don't really come out with like new colors, or, well, at least I didn't think they came out with new colors or that many new styles. So let's get into Goyard. So I go with my mom to the 63rd Street store. I think it's the only New York Goyard store. Same store I bought my last Goyard in. If you don't know anything about Goyard, they're not available for sale online directly from them. They don't post their prices online. They're not available at any other retailer, really. So they're like super exclusive. So when I walked in to Goyard, I was like not paying attention to anything. I wasn't looking for anything. I wasn't even looking around because I feel like they kind of just always have the same stuff. I was just there to get what my mom was getting, like 2 bags and a dog collar for her dog. And then I saw, out of the corner of my eye, a little sparkle. I saw 2 new colors. And I'm like, wait a second. What is that? So the sales associate, I don't remember his name, but he actually educated me and was like, every once in a while, Goyard will come out with like 2 special colors for like summer, or like they don't really do new styles or like special styles, but every once in a while they do new colors. So this bag is just so beautiful. I don't even, it's breathtaking. And I mean, I feel like that about a lot of my bags, but this one in particular. So out of the corner of my eye, I saw this bag, which it's actually reversible. So what I was actually seeing in the store was the bag on this side with the little, with like the little clutch hanging out. So I was like drawn to the, I call it aqua. I don't know if it's green. I don't know if it's blue. So I was like, what is that? And he was like, well, Goyard came out with 2 colors for summer 2020. This color and then a purple. So if you know me, you know green is my favorite color. And you know that I just love having things that, well, not having things, but having purses that are like limited edition and aren't going to come around ever again, because that's just what I'm into. That's what I collect, I guess, at this point. So they only had the one style, which is the St. Louis tote. I believe this is the medium size. It's still brand new, so the leather hasn't really softened and dropped yet. I don't think this is the PM. I think this is the medium size. They have a bigger size, but Goyard's St. Louis biggest size is like humongous. Let me see if it tells me the size so I could be a bit more specific. Well, it's just called, I call it the St. Louis tote. I've always called it the St. Louis tote. I don't remember exactly how much it was. It was somewhere in between like the $1,700 and $1,900 ballpark range. But the thing is, well, I live in New Jersey. I live in Bergen County, New Jersey. So when you buy clothing or accessories in this part of New Jersey, you're not taxed on them. So I'm very used to just going into stores and paying the price of the item. But whenever I shop in New York, obviously they have sales tax. So I don't remember exactly how much it was, but, and like the thing was, is I was literally pulled out my Prada receipt and was like, I'm just gonna bring this bag back and just get this one. And then I was like, no, I'll just get both. So that's my second Fifth Avenue purchase. I love this style. I have it in the crimson red, and I was just so shocked that they came out with a new color. And I mean, this is just, I don't know, like, you don't agree that this is a breathtaking color? Like, this is just super cute. I was really excited I got it. Oh, what I forgot to say was that the store actually, they only had one more in this color, which was this bag in this size, besides the display model. And in the purple, they only had like 2 or 3 left. So I definitely got it at like a super good time. Like, it was meant for me to get it, because it would not have been there since it was the only one left. But I can't wait to wear both of them. I absolutely love, love, love the color of the Goyard, and I was so excited that I was actually able to get, I guess you would call it like my dream bag as a little girl, that I was able to get it from Prada. So that's my shopping story. That's my unboxings for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave me a little comment. Let me know that you love my purse videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again for watching.